We continue with our rolling coverage of the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Remember, 57 seats are up for grabs in this particular phase. This is the last phase of polling for the 2024 general elections in India. My colleague Pia Mann standing by to give us an update on how people are actually coming out to vote as far as this particular phase is concerned. Let's quickly begin with the voter turnout. Pia, over to you.
Indeed, trends are trickling in. For 1 o'clock this afternoon in Patna Sahib in Bihar, 29.22% of the electorate has inked their fingers. Number jumps to 40.78% in Patliputra. Meanwhile, in Karakat, 39.53% of the electorate has cast its mandate. In Dumka in Jharkhand, 46.90% of the people have inked their finger. In Godda, the statistic stands at 45.91% this afternoon. Shifting focus to Odisha, in Kendrapara, 35.84% of the people have come out to cast their mandate. In Balasore, the number jumps to 40.71% till 1 p.m. this afternoon. Shifting focus to Chandigarh, where about 40.14% of the people have come out to cast their mandate. In Varanasi, where Prime Minister Modi is looking at a hat trick, 39.25% of the people have come out to ink their finger. In Deoria, 39.44% is the statistic recorded. 40.22% in Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh is the number recorded till 1 o'clock. In Gorakhpur, the number stands at 37.39%. Meanwhile, in Ghosi, 38.30% of the people have come out to cast their mandate. In Mirzapur, 48.54% of the electorate has cast its vote. In Basirhat in West Bengal, 50.89% of the people have come out to ink their finger. In Damdam, the number stands at 41.09%. These are trends till 1 p.m. this afternoon. In Diamond Harbour, 47.33% of the people have come out to ink their finger. In Himachal Pradesh's Mandi, which is witnessing a fierce contest between Vikramaditya and of course Kangana Ranaut, the number of course is standing at above 40%. In Hamirpur, where Anurag Thakur is contesting, 47.70% of the people have come out to cast their mandate. In Gurdaspur, 39.05% of the people have come out to ink their finger till 1 o'clock. In Amritsar, the number stands at 32.18%. These are of course trends till 1 o'clock. In Jalandhar, number jumps to 37.95% this afternoon. In Ludhiana, 35.16% of the people have come out to seal the fate of their candidates contesting. Back to you, Devika.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.